We've arrived in Cozumel, Mexico. Hopefully it clears up today. Big in today. There she is. Mexico, right?
See, I'm ready to get my feet on some ground, you know what I mean?
Yes. Uh-oh, don't fall. Wow, look how big the ship is. Here, Heather.
I'm going to take this off, put this
Oh, it's beautiful.
above.
Hey, compared to that boat right there, I think we're longer. Oh, yeah.
You know, kind of registry of that.
Sailboat out there.
I wonder how much higher the boat goes up when all the people get off of it.
A little bit. I don't know, could you do a catamaran thing like that?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Look at that. Yeah, look at that.
I like it. I'll take it.
Look how big that boat
like
is.
a good Mexican government boat.
Yeah.
Look at them two are like buddies.
Yeah. Yeah, Royal Caribbean. Norwegian Epic. Two Royal Caribbean ships. There's also a Disney ship here today. Going in. That's pretty over there in the water. That's clear water. I don't know. Let's go this way. Less crowded. Let's go this way. You like shopping?
I do.
Yeah, we'll go into all these shops.
Yes. No, I love it.
You're gonna get that. You're gonna get
Liam.
What's that?
Liam or Hunter. That'd be
What's that
perfect.
one thing that movie
Yeah.
done?
Nacho Libre.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How much is that? Oh, okay.
Ooh, you think it's a little wraps?
That's a nice port, Heather.
This is a really nice port.
I really like this. They're all gonna be really similar to this. Did you put it in the tips thing?
Oh, I don't want to do that. Disrespectful.
We're gonna hand these out for John. Yep. You gotta get one of those. That was loud. Look how shiny everything is.
I know, I like that.
Oh wow, that's neat.
running back. It's okay.
Yeah, we're fine.
So Emily, she would see that. And she'd go,
Oh, she would.
She
Yeah.
would see this little thing.
Yeah.
Blue, teal, red. Next one, baby.
Okay, right there for him. Nacho Libre. Like, how much can you cram into a store? Yeah.
Like that store we just came
Right.
out of.
Like this. How much can you cram into a store? Smells good, doesn't it? That leather.
I smell that leather, yeah. Yeah, I do.
Oh, this is for John Slaughter.
Marked up in there.
Yep. Good job. I do like the bright colors of this. What'd you get, Kit Kats? That's cute. Spoiling our children. Everybody's almost gone. Look up, all the way up, there's people. Wow. They are late. Starting to get some rain. Getting ready to head into a nice storm. We're moving.
Well, a very good afternoon, Carnival Jubilee family, and welcome back on board. Finally over the fuel day out in Cozumel. It's Big and Anchor, we get the trivia wrapping up right now. Additionally, as we sit back out in the open waters, our fun shops are opening up. You can get in.
Well, we're getting the plankton going today.
I smell it too, yeah.
Those birds.
You will have
Quick release in the slide, and that time Dixon is open, makes the catch, picks